Today I'm going to get started on the first modification to the TBR7, and it's pretty simple. I'm going to install a tail light cutoff switch, because it has a switch up here for your headlights on and off, and then high beam, low beam, so you can ride with the headlights completely off. There's no daytime running light basically, but your tail light is always on, and then when you press the brake it brightens up. I haven't found the electric door locks on the TBR7 yet, but if you guys know where they are, let me know. But what we're looking for is the brake light. Where is it? Right here. Rear lamp. So you have your two brake switches, front and rear, and then your constant. So green and yellow comes out of the brake switch, so we don't want that one. We'd want either green or black or brown, I guess. And we're gonna put a switch in. I was gonna use something like this I had laying around, but I think these will work better. It comes with a little waterproof cover for it. We're gonna tap into our rear brake light right here and then run it forward up to our switch, mount that right here, and I'll show you in a minute. I'm gonna disconnect the battery positive just because we're gonna go into the green wire. So before I run the switch to the handlebars, I'm going to just turn the wires here real quick, connect the battery, turn the key on, and then we'll try it out. Alright, I want to be careful not to hit the frame here while I'm testing it out. Ah, there it goes. Perfect. Front brake, rear brake, switch off. Front brake, nothing. Rear brake, nothing. I'm not going to show you all the boring stuff now that we tested the switch and we know it works. I'll finish it, mount it up here, and show you when it's done. So here's the switch all finished the next day. I thought about gluing it down here and then it wouldn't stick up, but it's not really flat here. And right here it's nice with all the lights. And the two Tao scooters I have are both different. The red one has a light switch like this where you can shut the headlights off completely. And the blue one, you have to leave at least some headlights. I think it's the LED lights that stay on as daytime running lights. So you never know what you're going to get with Tao. I think I changed my mind. I don't really like how it sticks up right here. It's not that bad, but we're going to try it down here. And if we don't like it, we'll put it back up here. So what I use is this industrial strength adhesive. And it comes off pretty clean, but it's pretty strong too. And this is the same stuff we use for the magnet mount license plate that I pretty much do to everything, and we're going to do to this too. I'll put a link to that down below for the XT225. So I think that'll be a little better once it dries, and it kind of naturally sits there anyways once you got the wires zip tied here. So down here you can still reach it with your thumb while you're riding. I think that's a better place for it actually. We're going to keep it there. So in the next video I'll show you how good the TBR7 does off-road in the mud. We did some off-roading with it.